Let's solve one question related to that. Okay, prove that root 2, root 3, root 5 is an irrational number. This is the most easiest question actually. Just you have to just memorize only 3 steps, and then whatever the question will come, you can solve very easily. First of all, you will have to take opposite. Okay. Like suppose the question is prove that this is a boy. Suppose the question is like this, prove that this is a boy, like that question. Okay, we are solving the same question. What's the question? Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. This is the question. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. So suppose this question is like this, prove that this is a boy. Prove that this is a boy. So always we have to take opposite. So what's the opposite of boy? Girl. So we will write down let this is a girl. माना कि ये क्या है? Girl है. Then we will have to try to verify our assumption. जो भी हमने माना है हम उसको सिद्ध करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay, that means this is a girl. This is a girl. The another person. Okay, दूसरा person क्या बोल रहा है? ये क्या है? लड़का. And what I am saying, this is a no, you are wrong, this is a girl. Then I will try to verify that whatever I am saying is right. Okay, so finally when I will just get one result, so I will see that this person doesn't have long hair. Okay, इसके लंबे लंबे बाल नहीं है. Okay, this person doesn't have any quality like girl. इसमें वो कोई भी quality नहीं है जो किसमें होना चाहिए? लड़की में. So what's the meaning of this? Whatever I was saying was wrong. That means my supposition was wrong. जो भी मैंने माना था वो क्या था? गलत. Okay, that means what I was saying, this is a girl. What I was saying, this is a girl. But my has it come? Okay, it's okay. My supposition is what? Wrong. At the final state I will see that my supposition is wrong. Whatever I was supposing, that was wrong. Okay, that means this is not a girl. So obviously if this one is not a girl, so what will be? Boy. Opposite. Okay, so same condition here. What's the question? We have to prove that this is an irrational number. What we have to prove? This is an irrational number. So what we have to suppose? Opposite. So what's the opposite of irrational number? Rational number. So write down solution. Solution means hal. In exam copy also will have to write. Yeah, come. Good morning, Kushan. Come. Oh, just sit here in the first bench. Okay, so see, this is the most important question for 3 marks to 5 marks. For 3 marks to 5 marks. Just try to understand very carefully. Again, Kushan, there's a question, prove that root 3 is an irrational number. What's the question? Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. So whenever you will see this question, that prove that this is an irrational number. So you have to suppose opposite. You have to suppose opposite. Opposite means ulta. Like suppose the question is prove that this is a fat boy. सिद्ध करो कि ये कैसा लड़का है? मोटा लड़का है. So we have to take opposite. इसका क्या लेंगे? Opposite. So what I will say, one person, for example, Soumik is saying that this is a fat boy. Soumik क्या बोल रहा है? ये कैसा लड़का है? मोटा. And I am saying no, you are wrong. This is a thin girl. I mean thin boy. ये कैसा लड़का है? पतला लड़का है. Then I will try to prove my point of view. मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूं वो सही हो जाए. Then I will just solve some steps, and at the end of the step I will see that this person has like big stomach. इसके बहुत इसका जो पेट है वो बहुत बड़ा है, and his weight is around 100 kg. इसका जो वजन है वो कितना है? 100 kg. So what's the meaning of this? What happened? What I was saying, this is a thin boy. This is a thin boy. ये एक पतला लड़का है. But at the last moment what I got? This boy has the weight of 100 kg. इसका जो वजन है वो कितना है? 100 kg. So what I was saying? Thin. So thin person has 100 kg weight. That means I was wrong. I was wrong. So what I was saying? Thin. And that means thin is wrong. This person is not thin. So obviously when one person is not thin, so what will be? Fat. Okay, so at the last step we will write down my supposition is not right. मैंने जो माना था वो सही नहीं था. That means मैं बोल रहा था ये एक पतला लड़का है, but I was wrong. मैं गलत था. So obviously if someone is not thin, so what will be? Fat. Then we will write down so that this is a fat boy. That means whatever Somin was saying, that was right. That was right. So same condition for this question. We have to take opposite. So what we have to prove here? Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. So what's the opposite of irrational? Rational. What's the opposite of irrational? Rational. So we will write down let root 3 is a what number? Rational number. Root 3 is a rational number. In math language, is means equal sign. Is means equal sign. What's the number here? Root 3 is means equal sign. Then what be supposed? Rational number. So rational number means what? P divided by Q. P divided by Q. But there is a condition that this Q should not be equal to 0. The value of Q could be anything but not 0. 0 को छोड़ के ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. This much is clear? Okay. Now we will just use class 3rd, class 4th method. Root 3 divided by 1. Denominator is nothing, so we can suppose 1. Then here P divided by Q. This step is clear? Okay, we know that whenever between the fraction there is which sign? Equal sign, plus sign or minus sign. So we have to do cross multiplication is clear? Okay, so root 3 into Q is equals to P into 1. Next step, root 3 into Q is equals to P ones a P. This much is also clear. Now we will take square on both sides. दोनों साइड में क्या लेंगे? Square. So write down on squaring both side. दोनों साइड का क्या लेने पर? Square लेने पर. So take the square of this side. Root 3 into Q square is equals to P square. This step is clear. Okay, now suppose this one is Soumik, this one is Kushan, and whole power is square. That means Soumik will also get 2, Kushan will also get 2. So this one will be right. Root 3 square into Q square is equals to P square. We know one condition, always root is cancelled by square. Now you know that now. So this square and root will be cancelled. What will be there? 3 into Q square is equals to P square. The next step, we know the simple formula ABCD will be in left hand side and numbers will be transposed in right hand side. So Q square is equals to P square. That's multiply sign, so after transposing multiply we get converted into divided by. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
First condition. Now see, if one mango square is divided by 5, one mango square is divided by 5, that means one mango will be also divided by 5. If one triangle is divided by, okay, triangle square is divided by 9, that means one triangle will be also divided by 9. So what's the condition here? If P square is divided by 3, so P will be also divided by 3. Okay, if 5 square is divided by 2, just an example, if 5 square is divided by 2, so 5 will be also divided by 2. Okay, so what is given here? P square is divided by 3, so P will be also divided by 3. Okay, so write down that line here. I'm solving here the next step, okay, because of space problem. Since P square is divisible by what?
3.
3. P square is divisible by 3, so that P is also divisible by 3. 3. This rule is clear. Why?
Yes, sir.
Because if a square is divisible by any number, so that normal number will be also divisible by the same number. Okay, any confusion about this?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just one sec. Okay, the next step, this step is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we can write down here, q square is equals to p divided by
3.
3. This step is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Most important step. Okay, q square is equals to p divided by 3. Now you just only have to remember this step, p divided by 3. If it was like mango divided by box, mango divided by box, so we will write down mango is equals to box, and after that you can take any number like any alphabet A to Z, anything except P and Q, in दोनों को छोड़ के. So take anything. Okay, so let's suppose take K. What are we taking? K. Mango is what? Numerator. You know?
Yes, sir.
So numerator is equals to denominator, then multiplied by any constant like A, B, C, D, except P and Q. You can take anything. So what we took here? K. So what's the meaning of this? What's the numerator?
P.
P is equals to
3.
3. Then take anything.
K.
K. 3K. Let means mana key. Let means mana key. P is equals to what?
3K.
3K. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no.
Okay. Just simply remember just right hand side. Right hand side. Whatever you will get, if you will get P divided by 9, so we'll have to write down P is equals to 9K. If you will get P divided by 10, so we'll have to suppose P is equals to
10K.
10K. If you will get P divided by 3, so P is equals to what?
3K.
3K. If you will get P divided by 5, Somik, P divided by 5 is, then P is equals to
P equal to 5K.
5K. We will have to suppose P is equals to 5K. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we got here, P divided by, what we got? P divided by 3. So P divided by 3 means what? P is equals to
3K.
3K. P is equals to 3K. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now whatever we got here, we have to substitute the value. Substitute means मान रखना. Substitute means मान रखना. So we have to put the value P is equals to 3K in this equation, that box. Q square P square by 3. Clear now?
Yes,
So write down here one line. Put or substitute same meaning. Okay. Put P is equals to 3K in किस में रखना है? Q square
Equal to
is equals to
P square by 3.
P square divided by 3. This step is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Now let's solve the next step. Q square will be same to same Q square equal sign, right? Now P, what's the value of P now?
3K.
3K. So in place of P, what we will write down?
3K.
3K and whole power 2. Whole power 2 divided by
3.
3. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
So I mean,
Yes, sir.
next step, Q square is equals to 3K square. What's the meaning of this 3K square? This number will be multiplied for how many times?
2 times
2 times. That means 3K
P square.
into
3K.
3K divided by
3.
3. Now 1 3
Cut.
cancel, you know. So what will be remaining here? Q square is equals to
3K.
3K into K,
K
P
square.
square.
K square. This step is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Sure now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's do another thing. Let's change the side. Let's bring this one and this side and this one that side. So this one can be written as 3K square is equals to 3K square is equals to what?
Sir, Q square.
Q square.
Q square. This step is also clear.
Yes, sir.
The next step from here again. Okay, so left K square will be in left hand side. K square is equals to whatever is already written in right hand side. First of all, we have to write down that. So what is written in right hand side?
Sir, sir, Q square.
Q square. So what we have to write down first?
Q square.
Q square divided by
3.
3. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Again same to same like this. Okay, if mango square is divided by 2, so mango will be also divided by 2. If Somik square is divided by 2, so Somin will be also divided by 2. If Kushan square is divided by 9, so Kushan will be also divided by 9. So same condition here. If Q square is divided by 2, 3, so Q will be also divided by 3. So write down here same line this. Okay, so we know that, or since what, Q square is divisible by 3. So when Q square is divisible by 3, so Q is also
divisible by 3.
Q is also
Divisible by 3.
divisible by 3. Q is also divisible by 3. Now there is a rule of rational number. The numerator and denominator can't be divided by the same number. दोनों एक ही number से divide नहीं हो सकता. But what's happening here? Here what was being divided by 3?
So
P was divided by 3, and here Q is also divided by 3. They are being divided by the same number.
Yes, sir.
एक ही number से divide हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
That means this one is rational number.
Sir, no.
Because what's the condition? Rational number can't be divided by the same number. But about this, all the two numbers are divided by the same number, 3 and 3. That means this one is not rational number. That means जो भी हम मान रहे थे कि ये एक लड़की है, वो क्या है? हाँ, ओके, मोटा. वॉट एवर वी वर सपोजिंग दैट दिस इज अ फैट बॉय, जो भी हम मान रहे थे कि ये क्या है, एक मोटा लड़का है. सो इज दिस ट्रू?
No, sir.
फाइनली वी गॉट दैट वॉट एवर आई वॉज सेइंग दैट वाज रॉन्ग. जो भी मैं मान रहा था वो क्या था? गलत. दैट मीन्स सौमिन ने जो भी बोला था वो क्या था? सही. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट आर वी सपोजिंग, क्या मान रहे थे कि ये क्या है? रेशनल नंबर. बट एट द एंड स्टेप वी गॉट दैट, आई मीन वी वर रॉन्ग. ओके, जो भी हम बोल रहे थे वो गलत है. दैट मीन्स पहला वाला बंदा जो भी बोल रहा था वो सही है. दैट मीन्स दिस वन इज नॉट रेशनल नंबर, सो व्हाट विल बी? irrational number. But we have to write down here one line. Since means चूंकि. Since means चूंकि P and Q are divisible by
Sir. 3.
this one is also 3, this one is also 3. So same or different? Same. So you have to write in same. Since P and Q both are divisible by the
3.
same number, divisible by the same number, so that this number is rational number.
3.
Root 3 is
Irrational number.
not
rational number.
a
Rational number.
rational number. Root 3 is not a rational number. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Hence, या कंप्रीतम, hence root 3 is an irrational number. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Is there any step in which you have problem?
Sir, no.
Do you want to note down this, or
Sir.
okay, just note down then. And Pratham, this question is already clear, no? So you just try to solve one question like yesterday, whatever the question